What's up, guys? Today we're gonna talk about this One Piece TCG Finance subreddit, and we're gonna answer some questions and congrats some of our community member. So the first one will be will it be Beckett 10? I would like to know. He's probably asking if this is worth grading. So this is Right Story 7558. Okay, let's check the photos. Okay, it's crisp. The front is okay. Back. Centering ratio is probably okay. Yep, I think Right Story, you should grade this one. And if you're just aiming for Beckett 10, just submit it to PSA instead. You'll probably get PSA 10 instead of Beckett 9.5. So that's for me, but it's up to you. Okay, next one is this one from Spiritual Dog 7292. In person look of EB03 Goldon. So this is the Nami one. Okay, Robin, Boa, and Yuta. I think it's good. I believe EB03 is a must get set. Just keep it sealed and put it on your basement. This has a waifu tax set. So it will be a very great set in the future and it will be very in demand. So thanks for sharing Spiritual Dog 7292. Let's head to this another one from Luluigi Choo Choo. Hey guys, been collecting for 2 months and love the hobby. I just got told by my friend that there were some dope cards in Chinese version of OPCG. Now I know nothing about this, but do you have some friends in China that could help me grab them? Does community have consensus if it's good idea to collect some specific cards from Chinese version? Are they worth a lot? Thank you for all the time. So let's head to eBay. To answer your question, Luluigi Choo Choo, these are the Chinese version. Let's head over to Chinese Nami TCOP TCG anniversary. No, not this one, but this one. Yep. As you can see, this is an exclusive card on Chinese version. You can only get Chinese version of this one. And I believe it's good to collect this kind of cards if you have extra and you're not aiming for profit. If you wanted to earn for profit, I highly suggest just stick to English version. But this is very exclusive to China, and if you want it, then just get it. Okay, I believe there's so much more. Another example would be the BOA Chinese second anniversary. Okay, let me just I'm not sure why my screen is stuck. I think it's stuck again. Okay, there you go. So this is the second anniversary Chinese version. And there are two versions of this. If you can see the screen, this is the normal version. And this is the rare version. And both are serialized. There you go. Both are serialized. If you want this kinds of cards that are serialized, then go for it. But there's a Japanese version for the second anniversary. So just be careful if you wanted to buy this. Maybe it's cheaper in Japanese. I'm not sure. Okay, that's all for you. Let's head over to the next one. Thinking about buying OP05 but in Japanese. I have the opportunity to buy three Japanese OP05 displays. At the same time, I could also buy one in English. If I buy Japanese ones, I could open two of them and keep one sealed. If I buy the English one, I would keep it sealed for a long time. That's a great idea. Abyss 463. Just go buy the English and keep it for a long time. Don't gamble. If you want the Luffy manga or the Oda sign, just buy it in single. Let's head to another one. Okay, what are people's thought on Chinese OP cards? Guys, if there's an English version of any cards, just go for English. Because you're gonna get stuck with this Chinese language. Even in Pokemon, right? Okay, next one is should I grade with? Who should I grade with? I pulled an OPO5 119. I'm considering Beckett, but I'm hoping for 10. Would love a black label, but I'm not sure if it's up to that task. Okay. I think the card is really great. Centering ratio. There's no visible whites on the back. I think you should go for PSA if you want a 10. But if you wanted a black label, then go for Beckett. But make sure to not cry Veaos if you get a 9.5 on this one. Okay, for the next one is Cavalier. Cavalier. Latest pickup. Love this card. Well, if you love this card, then congrats. You just bought it and for your collection. Another question from Cool Moose 9. Any specific cards to look out for in Japan? Hey, I'm going in Japan trip in a few days. Anyone has an advice on few cards that might be worth looking into local store while there? I was thinking manga rare mainly, but any recommendation, thanks. If you're in Japan and you're going to get the manga, just skip it. Skip those. If you wanted the Japanese versions that is exclusive in Japanese, I would suggest just get this one. Okay, look out for this card. Currently, it's $8 in eBay. In Japan, it might be $6 to $7 only. Buy a ton of this. Next one is this one. Okay, let me recapture the screen. Next is this one. Look out for this card because the artist of this card is the artist of the Black Clover. If I'm correct. So you can also buy this. This is only available in Japanese version, which probably maybe it's $30 to $40 in Japan. Currently it's 45 on eBay. Look out for that. And I think that's the card worth mentioning. Probably this one too. Look out for this card as well. Although this is not very liquid, but I believe this is only available in Japanese version. Okay. So that's all for you, Cool Moose. Let's head over to another one. Novel Jello 525. PSA 10 Dodger Luffy just sold on auction for $14.95 plus 18 shipping. I believe this card is really great for collection. However, if you're gonna invest and just starting out in One Piece TCG, then don't start with this card. Because this is just a promo card. If you're going to start, go for set hits like the manga or the serialized Luffy. But it's amazing that this card is already this high. Okay, next is Mr. Brightside KW. My collection so far started September of 2025. Currently, it's October 16 or 15. Let me just check. It's October 16 right now. And you just started September 25. And let's check your collections. Okay. This set of cards are really great. And congrats to you. Especially the Nami version. This one. Because it's on the first booster box. And it's gonna be reprinted on next year. Next one is this one, championship finalist. I think this is okay as well, but like what I have said earlier, stamp cards and championship cards have lower liquidity when you have emergencies. So even if this card is selling for $1,000, if you need to sell it fast, you can probably sell it for less than $100, 900 or 800 because of low liquidity or low in demand. Okay, this is the same card, I think. Next one is Boa Hancock, great pickup. Luffy, manga, great pickup, great character. Luffy Dodgers, great pickup as well. This one is One Piece Day, I think. Yep. And a great card as well. Pre-release winner. Yep. But low in liquidity. Pre-release event winner. Let me capture again. Okay, this is buggy release event winner. Great one, but it's buggy. So I'm not gonna wake up and think about, oh, I need to buy buggy today. Super pre-release Nami, great pickup. Even if it's normal card. Zoro promo English event pack volume 3. It's an okay card. Monkey D. Luffy OPO4. This is an alternate art. It's okay card, but I'm not sure if it's good because it's an alternate art, but still not a bad character. Boa Hancock leader, great pickup. This one is a great pickup as well. What's different in this one? I'm not sure if it is a great pickup, but Mossburger promo, yes, Japanese version only. So this is a great pickup as well. Overall, Mr. Brightside KW, you have a great collection and congrats on those. Next one is correct Cham, that guy. Undervalued SPs or some of them are just plain bad. Okay, let's start with Sakazuki. I believe Sakazuki is a great pickup right now. Even if it's just $25.81, it will not be reprinted next year. And what will happen if there's no reprint? The price will go up. This is an undervalued SP card for me. Next is Eustace Captain Kid from OP05, 26.74. It's good that this one is an SP card, but I would not suggest to get it. Same with Okiku and especially Queen. No one wanted Queen. Only the collectors, super collectors, which needs a master set. But in this 4 list, I would probably get the Sakazuki SP. That's for correct Chiam, that guy. And the last is it worth regrading this card? So he submitted it PSA got a 9. Why did he got a 9? Let's check. Okay, great front. I think there's a white there. Not sure. Yep. It's probably a white. Yeah, okay. You also have a white in here. No, I don't think it's a great or it's a I don't think you should regrade this one. Just accept it and be happy that it's a 9, right? Let's yeah. Okay. So that's all, guys. Let's go. If you like this kind of Reddit question and answer, just subscribe. Thank you.